Hello to everyone out there in Young Marine Land. I'm Young Marine SgtMaj Nathaniel Paredes, and I'm your Division II Young Marine of the Year and a Division II Public Affairs Correspondent. As you may know, all 50 states have begun to reopen in some way, shape, or form. And us here at Young Marines would like to remind you of the tips that are provided by the CDC and the World Health Organization to stay healthy while going back in public.
Be sure to wash your hands before eating and preparing food, after going to the bathroom, and helping others in your home.
If you have tested positive for COVID-19 or have any COVID-19 symptoms, stay home and self-quarantine yourself for at least 14 days.
Wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. If soap and water are not available, use a alcohol-based hand sanitizer with 60% of alcohol.
Avoid using personal household items. Avoid using other people's dishes. Avoid using other people's towels. Avoid using cups.
Be sure to cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow, and be sure to throw your tissue away with a lined trash can.
If you have a fever, cough, or flu-like symptoms, you might have been exposed to COVID-19. So what you would do is call your healthcare provider.
Take care of yourself, stay hydrated, get some rest, take over-the-counter medicine with a concealed adult.
Medical grade masks are most likely going to be reserved for medical workers and first responders. But that doesn't mean that you can't be safe. You can make a mask out of pretty much anything that you can find in your house, whether that be a bandana, a piece of cloth, a scarf, or you could even order one online.
Avoid touching your face, nose, and mouth. Those are where germs are spread.
I advise others and family to stay home for 14 days if you tested positive for COVID-19 or have symptoms.
If you have tested positive for COVID, try to stay in one specific room or even try to use a different bathroom.
If you have to go out in public, make sure to stay at least 6 feet apart from anybody else that may be there as well.
Make sure to take your temperature at least twice a day if you come in contact with somebody with COVID-19 or you are in an at-risk area.
If you have to go to see your doctor or healthcare provider, be sure to call ahead of time. This gives them time to protect themselves and their patients.
And remember, this is just a few tips from us here at Young Marines. Be sure to follow your local and state health guidelines to stay safe. And remember,
stay safe, stay healthy, and stay motivated, Young Marines. OORAH!